Hello, welcome again, guys. Welcome to the Blessing on the Bees family. Yes. So today we'll be looking at this hive that it came out, and I caught it, put it in a box. So I'm just showing you the video of the footage of the hive. Caught it, put it in a box, and it was after checking I realized it's infested with mite. So that's not a good look. So due to the observation and thing, I just started treating it, and I want to show you how the reaction of the bees, after being treated with that mite treatment. It was a good look, So stay tuned and look for this one. Yeah, man, but it's not as big as would like it to be, but it's about 2 pounds, so it's okay. They have enough workers, and there's a few summer days still left, and there's goldenrod going on right now, so there's food out there and they're going, so it's okay. So we'll put it together, but as I told you, the main thing for this video is about the mite, because I caught it, but while observation I realized that it had infestation. So now you can see, so I put them in a box, caught them, put them in this box, and treat them same time, right? So the treatment, after using the treatment, the bees keep coming out, and once they keep coming out, they keep brushing off themselves, because if you look closely, you'll see a few of them have the mite on them. So what happened is, because the treatment is so effective, it kills the mite. And so what the bees does now, they came outside and they're shaking themselves, shaking them off. See, scratching themselves, shaking them off. So basically they're freeing themselves of these pests, right? Varroa mite, it's a pest, right? And it sticks to the back of the bees, and that's what causes the bees to lose interest in the things that they're supposed to be doing, right? Like hive maintenance and foraging and all these things. So when you have a hive that is very infested with mite, you have to treat. Yes, guys, so as soon as I caught it, I applied the treatment, right? And after applying the treatment, this is the reaction. They came out shaking themselves off, a lot of buzzing, a lot of shaking, right? And when I look very closely, I could see that there's lots of mite, like the bees coming off, just dusting themselves off. So it's a good thing, right? So once you treat, these are the reaction you will get. The bees are very happy right now. They're buzzing around, very happy, because you know that those pests is not going to be on them for much longer, right? Yes, guys, so remember, once you see a mite, it's time to treat, So that's the key to survival of these bees, especially going into the winter, because those pests, those mite, will stick to the bees, confuse them, and create issues, right? Nobody's going to be able to function the way they are supposed to be functioning. So thank you for watching. Yes, guys, so as you can see on this one, it's a pad that I put the treatment on, and as you can see, there's a few dead mites. There was a bunch of dead mites on it, and as you can see, it's very effective. So I would recommend this treatment, very, very good. So just remember, a healthy hive going into the winter is the best thing for the bees, it's best chance of survival. So let's do what we can to make things better, right? So always remember, if you catch an hive, always observe to make sure it's well good, because you don't know where it's coming from. So thank you guys again for watching. Like and share and bless up the channel, Give thanks and praise, man. Blessings.